Good day, grade 11 STEM students, and welcome to the HP Classroom. In this lesson, we will solve some situational problems involving circles. And the objective of this video is to solve situational problems involving circles. And I have here an example. Let's read the first example and we will try to answer this. A street with two lanes, each 10 feet wide, goes through a semicircular tunnel with radius 12 feet. How high is the tunnel at the end of each lane? Round off to 2 decimal places. Now, we have, hindi naman tayo makakapag-solve without illustrating the situation. So, para gawin natin ito, so meron tayong pinrovide na tunnel. Napapansin nyo, this is a street. Drawingan tayo dito. This is the street with two lanes, each 10 feet wide. Goes through a semicircular tunnel. So this is the tunnel. With radius 12 feet. 12 feet yung height ng radius from the lane. How high is the tunnel at the end of each lane? Kasi syempre, this is 10. And yan, how high? So we're looking for the y. Diba? This will be point P with coordinates x and y. But x is given already, 10. Y is missing. Okay, we'll erase this. Now, in order to solve this, let's work on what we have, or let's work with the given. Since the center is at the origin, center is at 0, 0. Now, the radius of the semicircular tunnel we know is 12. 12 feet. Let's not forget the unit of measurement. Now, we're looking for the height of the tunnel at the end of the lane. So we have point X and Y. However, point X is already given. That is 10. And we're looking for the Y value. If the center is at 0, 0, anong gagamitin nating formula? We will use x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Now, ano ba yung hinahanap natin? Ang hinahanap natin ay the height. So, we will substitute what we have. Ang 12 natin is 10 squared plus y is missing and r is 12 feet. Now, let's solve. 10 squared is 100 feet plus y squared 144 feet. And then, using the addition property of equality, and let's have y is equal to, ito transpose natin to dito, 144 feet minus 100 feet. Y squared equals 44 feet. 44 feet is not yet the answer because we need to square both sides. Get the square root of both sides. We have y is equal to the square root of 11 feet. Bakit? Kasi we can, mapa-factor out pa natin dyan yung, we will factor 44 na meron siyang square root. Factor na 44 na may square root is 4 times 11. Then, take out the square root. The square root of 4 is 2. So, 2 square root of 11. However, ang hinihingi sa atin, we need to round it off to 2 decimal places. So, y equals, y is approximately equal to 6.63 feet. And the height of the tunnel, so hindi na tayo makakapagsulat. So, saan natin pwede isnet? Therefore, the height of the tunnel at the end of the lane is at 6.63 feet. So that is the answer for this problem. Thank you for watching, and now pwede na tayong magsagot ng ating activities.